بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now, probably in this question it is asking, like, you'll be given some diagram where the router is connecting to a hub and a switch. This is my switch, and then you have some multiple devices like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the main thing you need to understand here, how many broadcast domains and collision domains. So basically, broadcast domain means like one LAN. So one LAN or VLAN represents your broadcast domains. So basically, you can say one LAN or VLAN. So here there are only two LANs. So basically, there are two broadcast domains here. So which means, as per my option, we need to select this answer. So this is your correct answer. There are two broadcast domains. Of course, not four, not six. And also the question is asking how many collision domains we have. So collision domains depends upon the number of ports, because in switch, every port will have a separate collision domain. So how many collision domains in switch depends upon the number of ports, which means port number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So which means there are 6 collision domains present on switch. And in the hub, there will be only one collision domain irrespective of number of devices. So it is like only one. So it's all one. So 6 plus 1, it is going to be 7. So total there are 7 collision domains here. So you need to just remember this, the difference, the collision domain, I think A and F. So there are 7 collision domains, as well as there are 2 broadcast domains here. So this is based on some basic switching question here.